morning, children. Today, in this video, we will discuss direct and indirect speech for imperative sentences. Till now, we have discussed the difference between direct and indirect speech and how to change direct into indirect for simple statements which are also known as assertive or declarative sentences. Before proceeding to the next topic, we will first revise 4 types of sentences. The first type is assertive or declarative, second is imperative, third is interrogative, and the last type is exclamatory. Assertive or declarative is a simple statement which ends with a full stop. For example, good children never disobey anyone. Imperative statements show command, order, request, or advice. They also end with full stop. For example, please give me a book. It is an example of request. Now the third type, interrogative, are the statements which ask questions. They end with question mark. For example, where do you live? And the last type, exclamatory sentences, show strong feeling and they are having exclamation sign with them. For example, alas, he is no more. Before changing the speech, it is necessary to find out whether your actual speech is declarative, imperative, interrogative, or exclamatory. Now we will discuss imperative sentence in detail. It expresses command, order, request, or an advice. For example, keep quiet. It is a command. Please lend me a book. It is a request. Obey your elders. It is an advice. The one thing you have to keep in your mind that imperative sentence has no subject. Now we will discuss rules to convert imperative sentences into indirect speech. The first rule, reporting verb is changed to order, request, or advice. And the second rule, verb of the reported speech is changed into an infinitive, where your infinitive is to plus present form of verb. For example, to go, to eat, etc. With the help of examples, we will learn in detail about it. Now we will learn how to convert imperative sentences from direct to indirect. Now see the first sentence. The officer said to the soldiers, shoot. The officer said to the soldiers, reporting verb, shoot, reported speech. Now here officer is a subject, so we have done single underline. Said is a verb, double underline. The soldiers object, so triple underline. Now in these type of sentences, comma and inverted comma will change into the word to, where to is your conjunction. Shoot is your command, so said to will change to commanded. So our answer will become the officer commanded the soldiers to shoot. At the end, full stop. Commas and inverted commas will change to which acts as your conjunction. Now we'll do the second sentence. The teacher said to the students, work hard and be regular. Here, the teacher said to the students is a reporting verb. Work hard and be regular is a reported speech. The teacher is the subject, so we have done single underline. Said is a verb, double underline. The students object, so triple underline. Work hard and be regular is a advice. So here said to will change to advised. So our answer will become the teacher advised the students. Now see here, commas and inverted commas will change to work hard and be regular. Next, we are going to discuss a few more examples of imperative sentences from direct to indirect. Now, see the sentence number 1. My friend said to me, walk in the morning. My friend said to me is reporting verb. Walk in the morning reported speech. My friend subject single underline. Said verb double underline. Me object so triple underline. Now here walk in the morning is an advice. So said to will change to advised. So a sentence will become my friend advised me, commas and inverted commas will change to walk in the morning. At the end there will be full stop. Now we'll do the second sentence. Rohan said to me, please give me a book. Rohan said to me reporting verb. Please give me a book reported speech. Rohan subject so single underline. Said verb double underline. Me is object so triple underline. Please give me a book is a type of request. So said to will change to requested. Rohan requested me to. Now see here the word is given me and me is your first person. As you know that first person is according to subject. So here me will change to him. So our answer will become Rohan requested me to give. Please will be cut because we have added the word requested. Rohan requested me to give him a book. At the end, full stop. This is the third sentence. She said to Raj, obey your elders. She said to Raj, reporting verb. Obey your elders reported speech. She subject single underline, said verb double underline, Raj object so triple underline. Now obey your elders is a type of advice, so said to will change to advised. So answer will become she advised Raj, commas and inverted commas will change to. Now here your here is your second person. So second person depends upon object. So the answer will become she advised Raj to obey. Your will change to his. To obey his elders at the end. Full stop. This is the fourth sentence. He said to me, turn on the fan. He said to me, reporting verb, turn on the fan reported speech. Where he is your subject, so single underline. Said verb double underline. Me object triple underline. Turn on the fan is a type of order. Or you can say command. So here said to will change to ordered. So answer will become he ordered me, comma and inverted commas will change to turn on the fan at the end. Full stop. So the last sentence. The captain said to the soldiers, follow the instructions. The captain said to the soldiers, reporting verb, follow the instructions, reported speech. Captain subject single underline, said verb double underline, the soldiers object triple underline. Follow the instructions is the type of command, so said to will change to commanded. So our answer will become the captain commanded the soldiers. This will change to follow the instructions. At the end there will be full stop. I hope you all have understood the topic. Now, following these rules, do related back exercises of Chapter 18 Direct and Indirect Speech from a basic English grammar and composition book, Class 6. Thank you.